Welcome to NPM Tech. Garden equipment that you will want to buy. AquaJoe AJET2Z. Turn your irrigation program into an automatic operation with the AquaJoe AJET2Z 2-zone electronic water timer. With the 2-zone water connections, you'll be able to upkeep 2 areas on completely differing schedules. The 13 preset programs offer a variety of options to allow you to control both the frequency and watering duration of each zone independently of the other. To really ensure that your watering needs are accounted for, the device is capable of an hour-long sprinkling cycle up to 12 times a day. The water timer connects directly to the tap and can support 2 sprinkler and hose attachments. A small LCD screen on the front of the timer allows you to accurately set the time of day, and it also conveniently lets you know when it is time to change out the batteries with a low power indicator. The timer is also outfitted with a weather-resistant splash guard to protect it from the elements. Keep your gardens and lawns looking their best all while opening up your schedule with the AquaJoe AJET2Z 2-zone electronic water timer. Eden Smart Garden System. The Eden Smart Garden System lets you know what's happening in your garden at all times. Whether you're a novice gardener or managing a small-scale organic farm, Eden is there to take the guesswork out of gardening. Inserted in the soil, the Eden Garden Sensor gathers and analyzes data about changing weather and soil conditions. The Eden App displays this data as a real-time snapshot of your garden and pushes alerts and suggestions to maximize plant health. Bypass Tree Lopper. This bypass tree lopper has a 225 degrees adjustable cutting head, and the bypass blade has a cutting diameter of 32 millimeters. The tool has a telescopic handle which can extend from 240 to 400 centimeters, enabling you to reach branches up to 5.5 meters high from the safety of solid ground. The tool head is clearly visible in trees for safe and precise working. This lopper has 2 cutting options: high-speed cutting for the quick cutting of thinner branches, and high-performance cutting for thicker branches requiring more force. The cutting blades have a non-stick coating which reduce strain when cutting and make the tool easier to clean. Makita DCU 604 18 volts LXT wheelbarrow. Makita has added a new 36 volts battery-powered wheelbarrow to its lineup. Capable of carrying loads of up to 300 kilograms, the new DCU 604 brushless LXT wheelbarrow with pipe frame carrier includes a range of features to move loads around the worksite with ease. Designed to reduce the physical demands of work, the new DCU 604 motorized wheelbarrow benefits from a 36 volts brushless motor which is powered by 2 18 volts LXT Li-ion batteries in series. Thanks to Makita's unique combination of motor power and battery technology, this versatile device can carry loads of up to 300 kilograms and travel up to 7.2 kilometers. Gopher Hawk. The Gopher Hawk mole and gopher trap with wedge and probe tool is a new way to approach removing unwanted burrowing pests from lawns, gardens, orchards, and farmland. The Gopher Hawk is an organic, safe, and reusable way to permanently remove gophers and moles. The trap utilizes a trap system that captures and crushes the pest, allowing for an instantaneous humane kill. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.